Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello, fellow food lovers, travelers, and culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate destination for exploring the diverse and delicious world of food from every corner of the globe. Whether you're an expert chef or just someone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, this is the place to find inspiration and new flavors. Today we're talking about something we can all appreciate: quick and easy meals that can be made with everyday ingredients. It's all about simplicity, speed, and great flavor. Using ingredients you likely already have in your pantry, fridge, or local grocery store. Who says you need fancy ingredients or hours of preparation to make a satisfying, delicious meal? From street food classics to family-style comfort food, we'll show you how you can whip up quick meals using the most accessible ingredients from across the world. Whether you're looking for a weeknight dinner, a snack, or a hearty lunch, these recipes will prove that simplicity doesn't mean compromising on flavor. Let's dive into these simple yet satisfying meals that anyone can make in no time. 1. Italy, pasta, pomodoro, the simplicity of Italian comfort. Ingredients: spaghetti or pasta of choice, canned tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Quick and easy recipe: pasta pomodoro in Italy. Pasta pomodoro is a beloved dish that highlights the beauty of fresh ingredients. The simplicity of this dish allows the flavor of the tomatoes and olive oil to shine, making it the perfect meal for when you want something quick yet flavorful. Step-by-step preparation: cook the pasta, boil your spaghetti or any pasta until al dente. Following the package instructions, make the sauce. In a pan, heat olive oil, minced garlic until golden. Then add the canned tomatoes. Let the sauce simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, adding salt, pepper, and fresh basil. Combine, toss the pasta with the tomato sauce, ensuring the noodles are evenly coated. Finish, top with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and extra basil leaves for garnish. Modern twist: add protein. To elevate the dish, you can add grilled chicken, shrimp, or even roasted vegetables for extra flavor and protein. Where to try it? Rome, Italy, where simple pasta dishes are at the heart of the Roman food scene. Trattorias around the world offering authentic, quick Italian meals. 2. Mexico, quick tacos with everyday fillings. Ingredients: corn or flour tortillas, ground beef or chicken or beans for a vegetarian option, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions, cheese, cheddar, or a Mexican blend, salsa or hot sauce. Lime, quick and easy recipe. Classic tacos. Tacos are one of the most versatile dishes in the world, and making them at home is incredibly easy. Whether you go for beef, chicken, or even vegetarian tacos, this meal is quick to assemble and customizable to everyone's tastes. Step-by-step preparation: cook the meat, brown the ground beef or chicken in a skillet with a pinch of salt, pepper, and chili powder, or taco seasoning if you have it. Cook until fully browned. Prepare the toppings: dice tomatoes, chop onions, and shred lettuce. Warm the tortillas. Heat the corn or flour tortillas on a skillet or microwave until soft. Assemble the tacos. Layer the cooked meat in the tortillas, then top with the veggies, cheese, and salsa. Squeeze a lime wedge over the top for added freshness. Modern twist: add a salsa bar. Set up a salsa bar with a variety of salsa options: mango salsa, pineapple salsa, or a smoky chipotle salsa for a twist. Where to try it? Mexico City, Mexico, where you'll find taco stands on every corner, each serving up authentic street tacos. Taco Trucks USA, serving up unique fusion tacos that use everyday ingredients in exciting ways. 3. Japan, miso soup with tofu and seaweed. Ingredients: miso paste, tofu, seaweed, wakame or nori, soy sauce, scallions, green onions, broth or water. Quick and easy recipe: miso soup. Miso soup is a comforting and simple dish that is a staple in Japanese households. Made with miso paste and tofu, it's perfect for a quick, nutritious meal. Step-by-step preparation: prepare the broth. Dissolve miso paste in warm water or broth. Use vegetable or chicken broth for a richer flavor. Stir until fully combined. Add the tofu cube, and add it to the broth, letting it warm through. Add the seaweed, add wakame seaweed or any preferred variety to the broth. Finish top with sliced scallions and a splash of soy sauce for extra umami. Modern twist: add udon noodles. For a heartier version, you can add udon noodles or ramen noodles to the soup for a comforting meal that's perfect for any time of day. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan. Traditional miso soup is served in homes and restaurants alike. Japanese restaurants worldwide, offering comforting bowls of miso soup, with a variety of 8 ins for India. Quick chickpea curry chana masala. Ingredients: canned chickpeas, onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, canned or fresh. Spices: garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric. Fresh cilantro, rice optional. Quick and easy recipe: chana masala. Chana masala is a quick and flavorful vegetarian curry that can be prepared with pantry staples like canned chickpeas and spices you likely have at home. It's packed with flavor and works perfectly with rice or naan. Step-by-step preparation. The aromatics. In a pan, heat, oil and onion, garlic and ginger until softened and fragrant. Add the spices, stir in the garam masala, cumin, coriander and turmeric, cooking for a minute until fragrant. Add tomatoes, add canned tomatoes or fresh diced tomatoes and cook until the sauce thickens. Simmer with chickpeas, add canned chickpeas and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to let the flavors meld together. Garnish, top with fresh cilantro and serve with rice or naan. Modern twist. Add coconut milk. To make the curry creamier and milder, add coconut milk for a smoother, rich texture that pairs perfectly with the spices. Where to try it? Delhi, India. Known for its vibrant and flavorful street food, including chana masala. Indian restaurants worldwide serving hearty, comforting curries with the authentic taste of India. 5. Middle East hummus with pita and fresh veggies. Ingredients: canned chickpeas or cooked chickpeas, tahini, sesame paste, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, pita bread, fresh vegetables, cucumber, carrot, etc. Quick and easy recipe: hummus. Hummus is one of the most popular Middle Eastern dips and can be made in no time with simple ingredients. It's perfect as a snack, side dish, or appetizer, and pairs beautifully with fresh pita bread or vegetables. Step-by-step preparation. Blend the ingredients in a food processor. Blend canned chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil until smooth. Season to taste, add salt, pepper, and more lemon juice to adjust the flavor to your liking. Serve, drizzle with extra olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, and serve with pita bread or fresh veggies. Modern twist: add roasted beets or avocado. For a fun twist, add roasted beets to the blender for a colorful variation or blend an avocado for a creamy texture and extra richness. Where to try it? Beirut, Lebanon. Known for its hummus and mezze, served in every restaurant. Middle Eastern markets worldwide where fresh hummus is served with warm pita and fresh vegetables. Simple meals, global flavors. With everyday ingredients and a few simple techniques, you can create flavor-packed meals from around the world. These recipes are quick, easy, and can be made with what you likely have in your pantry right now. Whether you're craving pasta, tacos, or a warm curry, these dishes show how simple ingredients can lead to extraordinary flavors. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more easy and delicious culinary adventures.